Now, the Income Tax Department has launched a fresh drive to track down high-risk undisclosed foreign assets. Timsy standing by with the latest. Timsy, take us through what the Tax Department now intends doing.
Well, the Income Tax Department has introduced, again, a second drive towards undisclosed foreign assets. They said that this is, again, a non-intrusive measure that the government is taking, and this second drive is now called Nudge. It will be on the entire December. The drive ends on 31st December, and they say that they already have a list of about 25,000 high-risk cases that will be targeted through non-intrusive measures, asking them to come up clean on their undisclosed foreign assets. And to be fair, they say, according to sources, what we pick up from the tax department is that the big corporates whose employees have foreign assets and have not disclosed are also onboarded towards sensitizing. They've also onboarded ICAI and many other tax professionals organizations, asking them to speak to their clients, to come on board, take the benefit of this particular drive. And just to remind you, last year again in December, the government had come up with similar drive where they identified about 1,080 cases, which raised a demand of about 40,000 crore rupees till June 2025. So Income Tax Department saying that there is a non-intrusive drive that has been started again against undisclosed foreign assets which have been identified by them through the automatic exchange of information through various countries in financial year 2025, and sources say that they already have a data of about 25,000 such high-risk cases. And if these 25,000 people do not take up this opportunity, then what comes to their demand? Well, Black Money Act prescribes penalty of 10 lakh rupees on non-disclosure of foreign asset, apart from tax of 30% and penalty of 300%, and other consequential other measures such as searches, etc., which government has already taken in cases who did not come clean in the last drive. So this is another measure to try and unearth foreign assets under Black Money Act, which are still yet to be recovered and yet to be identified under the income tax returns. Let's see what happens in this particular drive, which will be on for a month.
All right, Timsy, many thanks for joining us. Now, Tata Power is likely